This simple setup for electrolysis of water is one of the finest models that any child can make for the science project. Apart from how to break water into its constituents, hydrogen and oxygen, you can learn lots of other properties of water and other solutions. The best part is that you can do electrolysis anywhere you want to do. You do not require big labs or direct current every time, and also you do not have to assemble different components every time when you have to perform electrolysis. So without wasting time, let us learn how to make this wonderful model and learn how to do electrolysis with it. To make this model, you need a plastic container, two old battery cells, a mobile charger and electric tape. You need few other items also. First take the cell and by using simple tools bring out the carbon rod from it. In this process you will get black powder, which is actually manganese dioxide. You can do many reactions by using this black powder, which is manganese dioxide, and the outer metallic cover of the cell is zinc. If you will add zinc in any acid, you will get hydrogen gas. Now take out carbon rod from both the cells and clean it up using a cloth. Now take the charger and remove its socket and take out the two wires. Now attach these two wires with the carbon rods by using the electrician tape like this. Very easily you can do all this. Attach the other carbon rod also like this. Actually these are two electrodes for electrolysis. Now take the plastic container and make two holes at its bottom using scissor or any other tool you have. Holes should not be too far away from each other. Gap should be less than what I am doing here. Now insert both the carbon rod in these two holes from back side like this. Now seal the carbon rod using glue gun, or you can also use M seal, which you can get from any hardware store, and seal properly from inside also to avoid any leakage of water. Our electrolysis apparatus is almost ready. At the end, to keep it properly, we will make 3 stands under it For this purpose you can use bottle cap, but I do not have 3 bottle caps, so I am using 3 corks. Stick 3 corks under this plastic container using glue gun, and our model is complete. Now put some water in it and see the leakage. And our model is ready to use. There is no leakage. Now fill it with water and make sure both the electrodes are submerged into water. And connect the charger to the AC supply. In few seconds you can see the hydrogen gas bubbles at cathode and oxygen gas bubbles at anode. To make water more conductive, you can add liquid detergent or detergent powder. This will increase the rate of electrolysis, and you will see the rate of the gas formation at the electrodes is also increased. You can collect these gases in the test tube or any other narrow bottle by placing them on the electrodes. Fill 3/4 of the test tube with water and then invert it over the electrodes, so the electrodes will remain submerged in the water like this. By collecting these gases in these test tube, you can test many other properties also. So make this model and give it to your school science teacher. Your science teacher will preserve it like any other costly lab apparatus. Thanks for watching this video.